three terms. Remember, the terms are separated by an addition or a subtraction sign. So if it has three terms, what do we name it?
Trinomial.
A trinomial. Okay, how many terms are in letter B?
Two.
Two terms. That is a binomial. What's a monomial?
It's the four.
It's a
Monomial has how many?
one.
One. So letter C is a
Monomial.
monomial.
Four is the pen. So polynomial.
So tri is 3, bi is 2, mono is 1. If it has 4, polynomial, what about 5? Yeah, so anything bigger than 4, we say polynomial. All right, number 2, multiplying binomials. So when we have something like number 2, what do we have to do here? FOIL. All right, so we do the first, 5x times 5x, 25x squared. O stands for outer, so 5x times 2 is 10x. I is your inner, so that is negative 2 times 5x, negative 10x, and then last, negative 2 times positive 2 is negative 4.
Oh, what's
Is there anything we can simplify? Yeah, we have a positive 10x and a negative 10x, so those are going to end up canceling out. So we have 25x squared minus 4. Yes?
Let's say on the test, like the other question like that, if we don't end up combining
You probably will lose a point. Okay, part B, try this OST question. This was actually from an OST test. Which expression is equivalent to this? What do you think they're asking you to do? To FOIL. Yeah, to solve it. So we do 2x squared times x. What's that? 2x cubed. 2x times 4. I'm sorry, 2x squared times 4. 8x squared. 3 times x. And then 3 times 4. Good. So all we did was we FOILed there. Now, if you look, does it match one of our answers? D. Perfect. Okay, use your instincts on a question like that. Because guess what? They didn't say multiply this binomial, right? Or multiply the binomials. They said which one's equivalent to this. That is just a different way of asking a question. And that's probably the hardest thing with the OST is the way that they ask the question. And so we're just going to kind of condition you guys and help you by asking you questions different ways. So that's kind of one way that we're going to do that. Hopefully we can get you ready. All right, number 3, multiply those exponents. This is what we did yesterday. Okay, so first thing, look at your numbers. Okay, we have 4 times 2. What's 4 times 2? 8. Okay, and then we only have one base, which is a. What is our new exponent on a?
8.
Okay, so we do 3 plus 1, right? Because if we don't see the 1, we assume it. Yep, that would be 8. Okay. What happens when we divide? We subtract. So this would be b to the second, m to the beautiful. Okay, you ready for something new? Ready for something new? You're going to be just fine.
Are we?
Yes. Okay, so here it says we're going to become factor masters. Okay, so by the end of this unit, you will be a factor master. But we're going to take things one step at a time. First, we're going to divide 2q out of our expression. Here's what that looks like. We take each term and we divide it by 2q. Go ahead and divide each term by 2q. Now we just talked about division, right? When we divide something, we divide the numbers like normal. So what's 4 divided by 2 here? 2. What happens to the exponents? What do we do with the exponents? We subtract them. That's what we did yesterday. So we'd have 4 minus 1, which is 3. Perfect. And we're going to do that to each term. So what's our next term going to be? Minus 3q. Or you can put q to the first. Okay, and then plus what? Nope. What's something divided by itself? 1. Okay, so 2q over 2q is 1. So we don't need q's left, right? Because those cancel. With me on that?
Indeed.
Okay, and then 2 divided by 2 is 1. So that is your answer. All right, number 2, divide x. So you're going to take each term, divide each term by x. Okay, I'm going to let you do that on your own.
How's your day been going? Huh? Do we do all of these?
No, that's okay. Just... All right, what did we get?
Wait.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, come on, strawberry.
Do we agree?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Good?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, next one, divide. Oh, yeah, there's a lot going on here. Okay, so we're going to divide by ab squared on each term. So what I do is I just take it one thing at a time. So start with the numbers, then move to the a, then move to the b. Just make it easy on yourself. So if you look at this first one, do we have any number downstairs? No. So 7 divided by 1, let's assume 1, is just 7. Okay, am I going to have any a's left?
Yes.
How many?
1.
Good. How about b's?
No.
No. Right? B squared is the 2 subtract to 0. Okay? Plus, now I have 3 divided by 1. Right? There's no number there. So it's just 3. How many a's do I have left? None. How many b's? 1.
I'm looking at my
You feeling okay about this stuff? It's weird, but it's a skill you already know. We're just putting it into practical use here.
Yeah.
What's the point of it? Like, will we need this?
Yes. So we're going to do something called GCF tomorrow, and we're going to use this process.
Greatest common fact.
But like, will we use it in like, real life situations?
Yeah.
Okay. Probably.
She's like, okay.
Yeah, right. No, because when I was in 7th grade, I asked my teacher, I said, when are we ever going to need this? And she goes, well, if you would like to become an engineer. I'm like, no.
I mean, math is a lot for engineers.
That's my problem. You should be able to just learn what we want to do. Like, we should be know what we're going to do from day 1.
Okay, can I speak to that? Is that okay? Can I speak to that? So I became a math teacher, right? So I took a lot of math, but I also was a mascot. I also was a surfer. I also am a personal trainer. I also am a tutor. So like I do so many different things because when you get older, you're gonna realize like sometimes your job you have to have a couple jobs because you have to pay your bills.
But then you should go to school to learn how to do all of those things.
Okay, but my point is,
How do you know?
if you keep doing that, you're becoming well-rounded. So if we make you well-rounded right now, it gives you space to figure out what you like to do.
Yeah, but.
This is K1, Kiwi's a job.
Oh!
I'm ready to find something else.
Okay.
Research right now. I'm gonna fill up like that one.
I'm just kidding. I understand what you're saying. I felt the way that you did. But one of the things in math too that you have to keep in mind is you may not use this thing specifically, but the problem-solving part of math is going to be very, very good.
I like
You like that?
that.
I'm just going to start calling Kiki and he's going to be really big.
No, call,
Yes.
no, call my spelling.
What's it? Oh yeah, Hayden. Okay, all right. So look at number 4. Okay, it says divide 9. Now we're no longer dividing a variable here. Okay, we're dividing just a number. So what's 27 divided by 9? Do we keep the x squared? Sure do. What is 81 divided by 9? 9. There we go. Not too bad?
Be like that.
Guess what? Try it on your own. Okay, the whole back page is working on your own. Okay, the solutions are on the bottom. I'm going to walk around. I can help you out. But I want to make sure that you get this before we start the notes tomorrow. Okay? So work through this. If there's something you don't understand, call me over and I'll make sure that we get that worked out before you leave today. What's going on over there?
Nothing.